Okay, so for this example, we have this data over here of sales data. So we have your salespeople, your salesperson over here. We have your sales region. We have the order date, and then we have the amount of sales. I'll just scroll down quickly to show the data, right? So we have a lot of sales info over here, and our goal is to create a grouping of the salesperson and the sales region, and then get the total amount of sales, right, for each combination. So we can use Power Query to quickly do that. So I'll just show you on how we can use the group by functionality. So let's go to data from table, right? So we're going to be opening our favorite query editor to tinker with our data. So we have the entire table. So let's just scroll down quickly just to have a quick look. Okay, so that's looking good. So let's just go straight to group by over here. So group by is going to ask you what columns do you want to group together. Okay, so for example, at the moment, let's just go for, let's say, salesperson. Okay, and then we have sum of the sales. Okay, and then let's just type in total sales. Okay, so this is not our ultimate goal yet, right? So I'm just showing you first, let's just use one column for now for grouping for salesperson. Let's go okay. And then we can see here that for each salesperson, we have the total amount of sales listed out immediately in here. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do in Excel. But right now, our ultimate goal is to use a salesperson and sales region grouping. Okay, so here's what we'll do. There's no need for us to delete this step. We could just go straight back to the settings of the grouping step. Okay, so that's one of the cool features of Power Query. And then let's just add another grouping. Let's go for sales region over here. Okay, so which means Power Query is smart enough to use both columns for each group and then still aggregate the sales as a total sales column. And once you do that, then you have your grouped data listed out over here immediately. And it's also smart enough, right? Because you might be thinking, hey, where's the date? Because there's a date column as well. So Power Query, so if we go back to the source tab, you can see here that the order date is not listed out in the result because Power Query was smart enough to determine that, okay, this is our group. The date is not needed anywhere. So it just deleted the date altogether. Okay. So once we're happy with the data, go back again to home, click close and load, and now we have our group data listed out here.